Welcome back to South Arkansas Outdoors. On this episode, we are all loaded down in a Pontiac. Got the poles and everything rigged up. We're going down to the Washita River. We're going to try and do some catfishing. Wish us luck. Well, we made it out here to Washita River. Already getting bites. Trying to catch a few little bait fish. Try for some flathead, but he's got Corey here. He's using some night crawlers. He's getting some bites. This is what you call true friendship. Got hung up and he's trying to get me undone.
Good job, Chance. Hey. You want me to hand you the stringer? You want me to hand you the stringer?
Well, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. It started off just going to the river, fishing a little bit, but wasn't really catching anything. Did more swimming than fishing. So went back and me and my boss and his stepson, we went over to this little pond and bass fish. Caught a few, and overall it was a pretty good day. If there's anything else you'd like to see in these videos, let me know. Hunting season's coming up. I'll be having a lot of footage of that, and hopefully we'll have some big deer this year.